subscribers. Today we're at Launch Car Wash in Tulsa, Oklahoma.
Hi, sir. How you doing, man?
I'm doing great.
Doing great. How you doing it before?
Not at this one, no.
No? All right, so real quickly, we do have an Infinity Club where you get unlimited lift off car washes. So that means as many times as you want, 5 times a day if you like. For only $35 a month, we do have a promo to where you can start your Infinity Club with 10, 15, or 20. It'll save you hell of money.
As much as I appreciate it, I think my son's company that he works for might get him in trouble if I did so, but I will do a single wash.
All right, so these are all single washes. So which one do you like?
The $20, the full one.
Cash card?
Card?
All right, thank you. And do you guys have any plans for today, sir?
Just this.
That's good. That's good. And you should be there. I think it's.
Yeah, it says.
Would
Thank
like
you.
to see?
No, thank you. I
You have a
appreciate it.
blessed day, sir.
You too. All right, here we go.
How would I get in trouble for?
Oh, you gonna film him?
Oh, sorry, I didn't.
Yeah, no.
Why would I get in trouble for getting?
Oh, you won't get in trouble. I was just joking of the fact that you're in your work shirt.
Yeah. But yeah, this is not the one near Bixby. This is a newer location. So yeah, this is the MacNeil tunnel. Neutral, no brakes. Here we go.
Yep.
Very soaked. Top brush. Another top brush. Got our high pressure rings. Triple foam. This brush. Blue sag. Another small brush right here. Another tall brush. High pressure ring. Wax. Another top brush. Spot for your rinse, dryers. Okay, thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. Bye. This was Launch Car Wash in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Bye.